Do it for the. I do it for the. I do it for the, I do it for the love. I do it for the, I do it for the love. I do it for the, I do it for the love. I do it for the love. Oh yeah, yeah. Love, oh yeah, yeah. I do it for the, I do it for the love.
Okay, you guys, this is what the bathroom looks like. Okay, here's the floors, window right here, cabinets, sink, mirror, here, toilet. Okay, you guys, so this is what the bathroom is looking like right now. I did decide to paint it all white because I didn't like how it looked two-toned after I did the touch-up. So everything is all white right now. I already cleaned and mopped the floors. I'm getting ready to put the new flooring, so we're gonna do that right now. So I did like a pre-layout of how I want the floor to lay and how it's gonna lay. my camera died, I'm sorry, but while it was charging I painted all the cabinets. So right now that's the primer that's on it. You guys saw that. And that I just painted it all white. I also have the closet door. It was a little dirty. I cleaned it up and painted it white also, so it can look crisp and clean. Okay, you guys, here's how the bathroom turned out. Floors. There's that mirror. That pizza. I gotta remove that tape around the light up there. So yeah, we painted. My sister and I painted the walls all white. And then we got a new. Oh, my dryer's done. I changed this. It used to be white. Also over here, changed that. This is what it's looking like, fresh and clean. Over here where the plant is, my sister thinks I should put a mirror there instead of the plant. Let me guys know if you think, you guys let me know if you think that that's a good idea, if it'll look nice. And for the big reveal, because you guys remember our shower was like disgusting. This is the shower now. Okay. Decided to go with black, white, and silver. And that is it. Let me know if you guys liked this. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know, because I will be doing a lot more videos like this. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.
I do it for the, I do it for the love. I do it for the love. Yeah, yeah.